Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to copy a link to your Instagram profile. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. And let's get started, friends. And now I'm going to show you step by step how it can be done. First, let me say that this method works on both iPhone and Android devices. Open the Instagram app. Then at the bottom on the right side, click on the image to go to your Instagram page. Next, friends, you will need to click on the Share Profile option. And as you can see, the QR code of your profile appears. And there will be additional options down here. Maybe they will look a little different for you in Instagram, but the essence remains the same. You will need to choose the option to copy the link at the bottom. Click on it. And then your Instagram link is automatically copied, and then you can just share it. You can go to the messaging app, in NoTalk, any messenger at all. I'm going to open up Telegram, for example. If you want to share your link to your profile, you'd have to click on the message bar or a new note. Let's say press and hold and select paste. So as you can see, the Instagram link appears. You can send it. And after the person receives your message, they'll click on the link, and it will automatically open your pages. This is the way, friends, you can copy the link to your profile in the Instagram app very easily. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be sure to put your likes below the video. See you, friends.